Hello and welcome to this Next to Education Houdini for Motion Graphics course. My name is Shahzad Ahmad and I will be your instructor throughout this course. In this course, we'll focus on the tools and techniques for creating motion graphics in Houdini. We'll cover topics such as procedurally sweeping curves, path deformation, working with clones, creating fall-offs, and controlling our clones with fall-off. And we'll also take a look at different techniques for creating growth solver. And we'll also take a look at importing data from Excel for visualizing data. And then we will dive into chops for procedurally animation, our geometry. And here we'll see how we can use chops for creating motion graphics. And in here, we can create audio reactive animation with the help of chop. And after that, we will dive into DOPS, Houdini Dynamics, and here we'll see how we can use Houdini Dynamics for creating motion graphics. And in here, we will going to take a look at Houdini Particle System, RBT for rigid body, and Vellum for creating soft body simulation. And we will end this course off by rendering in Solaris, and we're going to use the Houdini Karma XPU for rendering. So join me if you want to create a high quality motion graphics with Houdini, and I will see you in the very first lesson.